Day Trading Strategies, the complete guide with all the advanced tactics for stock and options trading strategies. Find here the tools you will need to invest in the Forex market. Written by Andrew Elder. Narrated by Alexander Aziz. Introduction. It is essential that you understand and apply all these three elements in day trading. While some strategies only require technical indicators, like VWAP and moving average, it will help you a lot if you understand price action and chart patterns so you can be a profitable day trader. This knowledge, especially about price action, comes only with regular practice. As a day trader, you must not care about the company and its revenue. You should not be distracted about the mission or vision of the company or how much money they make. Your focus must only be on the chart patterns, technical indicators, and price action. Successful day traders also don't mix technical analysis with fundamental analysis. Day traders usually focus more on technical analysis. The catalyst is the reason why a particular stock is running. If you have a stock that is running up to 70%, you need to determine the catalyst behind this change and never stop until you figure that one out. So it's a tech company that just got a patent approval or a pharmaceutical company that passed through important clinical trials. These are catalysts that can help you understand what is really going on. Beyond this, don't bother yourself squinting over revenue papers or listening in conference calls. You should not care about these things unless you are a long-term investor. Day traders trade fast. There are times that you may find yourself trading in time periods as short as 10 to 30 seconds and can make thousands of dollars. If the market is moving fast, you need to make certain that you are in the right position to take advantage of the profits and minimize your exposure to risk. There are millions of day traders out there with different strategies. Each trader requires its own strategy and edge. You must find your spot in the market whenever you feel comfortable. You must focus on day trading strategies because these really work for day trading. The following strategies have been proven effective in day trading. These strategies are quite basic in theory, but they can be challenging to master and require a lot of practice. Also remember that in the market today, more than 60% of the volume is dominated by algorithmic trading. So, you are really competing against computers. There's a big chance that you will lose against an algorithm. You may get lucky a couple of times, but supercomputers will definitely win the game. Trading stocks against computers means that the majority of the changes in stocks that you see are basically the result of computers moving shares around. On one hand, it also means that there are certain stocks every day that will be traded on such heavy retail volume. Every day, you have to focus on trading these specific stocks, or the apex predators, the stocks that are usually gapping down or up on revenue. You should hunt for stocks that have considerable interest among day traders and considerable retail volume. These are the stocks that you can buy, and together, the retail traders can still win the game against algorithmic traders. One principle in day trading that you may find useful is that you must only choose the setups that you want to master. Using basic training methods that are composed of minimal setups are effective in reducing the stress and confusion and will allow you to focus more on the psychological effect of trading. This will separate the losers from the winners. Managing your day trades. It is always intriguing when two day traders choose the same stock, the one short and the other long. More often than not, both traders become profitable, proving that trader management and experience are more important than the stock and the strategy used by the trader. Remember, your trade size will depend on the price of the stock and on your account and risk management. Beginners in day trading are recommended to limit the size of their shares below 1,000. For example,
Sample complete. Ready to continue?